The ultimate scholarship book. Is it worth it? Is there a better resource? What is the best way to use it? That's what I'm going to answer in today's video. Scholarships equal free money, right? So if you're interested in videos like this, please subscribe and don't forget to like. Hi, I'm Ryan Swayt, and I used to be a two-time college dropout, making just $12 an hour. Then I learned how to hack college and earned an entire bachelor's degree in 9 months flat. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll show you how. All right, the ultimate scholarship book. This is 2022 version. If you're watching this video later, basically every year's book is identical, exactly the same, but with updated scholarships. Now, I'm going to tell you what I like, and I'm going to tell you what I don't like. But I will start off by saying, if you're enrolling for college, you need to get this book because it's probably the most complete resource that I have found anywhere for which scholarships are available. Like, it's thousands and thousands of scholarships that you can apply for, and the more scholarships you apply for, the more free money you get. Yes, it can be time consuming. Yes, it can be difficult, tedious, hard, but a lot of times spending time filling out scholarships is going to make you more money than a low-paying job. Once you get all those scholarships granted to you, you start seeing the paychecks coming. You'll be thankful that you did. Now, let me kind of show you how it starts off. In the beginning of the book, it talks about how to get scholarships, scholarship essays, and all sorts of things like that. Every year, that section, those first 30, 40 pages or something like that, are identical. So if you have one of the old books, that's literally not going to change at all. But there's a resource where basically the bulk of the book lists scholarships. It's just tons and tons and tons of scholarships, and they're all grouped. You can look through all the groups. You've got social science scholarships, science scholarships, state of residence scholarships, and it just breaks it up. Membership scholarships, disability and illness scholarships. There's tons of different categories, so you can look through the categories and see which category is a good fit for you, and then you can start going through and applying for scholarships. Now, one thing I do not like about the book, and there's kind of a counter that's going to help you with this, it's the internet age, right? Like we do everything online. There are resources online that are a lot easier to use, where you basically go in and you can click a button that says scholarship for men or scholarship for women or scholarship for Hispanics or whatever. You can click a button and then boom, a full list pops up and you can click, 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 click. That's a lot easier than this. It is. But this is a more complete resource and it has a lot more scholarships listed. So let me show you something that's kind of cool that kind of brings the internet back into being able to take advantage of applying for scholarships online, even though this is kind of an old school book. Now, I'm going to take you over to my computer screen and kind of show you how this works, okay? So if you go to the ultimatescholarshipbook.com, okay, there is a box. It says, enter the exclusive scholarship code found in your copy of the Ultimate Scholarship Book. Now, I don't know if you can see this very well, but if you get the book, there are basically scholarships, like scholarships everywhere. The whole book is scholarships. And for each scholarship, there's a little code that you can type in at the bottom of the scholarship. You're basically going to take the code and you're going to type it in right there. And you're going to click Get Updates, okay? And boom, I just found a random scholarship from the book. This is the NDPRB Undergraduate Scholarship Program. I think it's like a farming program or something like that. Now, this is, boom, we finally got the information online, right? And there should be clickable links right here in this blue box where it says contact information. I can go to the website, and I can go to the specific page about the scholarship program, okay? Now I'm on this company that's offering the scholarship. I'm on their website. I can scroll down and look for where to fill it out. And look, it says fill out an application online right there. I click there and I can create an account and fill out a scholarship, right? So that's a way that's kind of the saving grace for this book, because it's pretty old school to have them all in a book, right? It's so much easier to have them all online. But there aren't a lot of online resources that have this many scholarships, like this entire database of scholarships. There are I think, billions of dollars of available scholarships here in this book. Being able to go online to their website and type in the code and get links to where you can apply for the scholarships, that makes it so much better, okay? But if I was to rate this book out of 5 stars, okay, I would give it 4 stars, and that is because the information is outstanding, wonderful, but it would be nice if all of this was just on a website online. And I'm sure they do it like this because they want to sell books. And when you sell it online, you can't charge $30 or whatever it is for the book. So I'm sure they're making more money selling the book. The book is really good and you should still buy it and you should still use it. Okay. But it's not perfect because it's not just a database of clickable links and stuff like that. If you use those codes, it's absolutely helpful and it makes it a lot easier. So you look through the sections, find out which scholarships are available, and just go through and type in each of those codes, and you can just churn through and apply for as many scholarships as you can. I will say at the beginning of the book, I talked about those tips on writing scholarship essays and stuff. Read through those. Those are actually really good. It's the same information every year as the new books come out, but it's still really good information. So read through that. You can get some advice on how to write some scholarship essays, and you can churn through thousands of different scholarships and start filling out applications. I don't know if you know who Dave Ramsey is. He's basically a financial and debt expert, and he tries to help people stay out of debt. He recommends to students, if you're a college student, apply for 1,000 scholarships per year. 1,000 a year. It sounds crazy, but if you're legitimately putting in the effort, it's almost like having a part-time job, but it's a high-paying part-time job as long as you're putting in the effort and doing it right and applying for the correct scholarships. You can get a lot of money back in return. If scholarships aren't your thing, the number one resource for paying for school is government grants. If your income is low enough, you can apply for grants, and a lot of times all you need is one grant to cover all of your tuition. But the difference with scholarships is it doesn't matter how much money you make, and if you get a grant, you can still apply for as many scholarships as you want. And a lot of scholarships, they literally send you money. Okay, it's free money. So the ultimate scholarship book, buy it. If you're a student and you want to get scholarships, buy it because it's worth it. Knowing that it's not perfect, it's not the smoothest, easiest resource to use, it does have more information than any scholarship resource I've found. I hope this video helps. Again, if you like videos like this, subscribe to my channel and you'll start to see more in your feed. Now, if you don't know who I am, my name is Ryan. I earned a 4-year degree in 9 months flat following a process called degree hacking. If you'd like to learn about degree hacking, just go to diplomasecrets.com. diplomasecrets.com, and there's a free training where you can literally see me stand at that whiteboard and map out the process of degree hacking so that you can follow it just like I did. So yeah, I hope this video has helped. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below in the comments and reach out to me if you need help with any of this stuff. Hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you in the next video.